Wow. So you can really see how it's pretty much gone. All my gray hairs. So as you guys can see here, I have quite a few gray hairs growing in. I am due to go to the salon next week, fortunately, but in the meantime, I'm personally not really into these gray hairs. I think I could definitely be more into it if it was maybe one chic section, if I just had one line of gray hair, but this look is very much not my brand. So luckily, my favorite thing to use in between visits is the L'Oreal Professionnel Hair Touch-Up. There's 7 different shades, so even if you're not a brunette, if you have more auburn hair, if you are a blonde, there are shades available. I think the coolest part about this is the applicator. It's super targeted, so it really does let you just hone in on that section that you want to hit. So let me show you guys how I use it. Okay, so now I'm going to use the root spray to cover up my roots. Wow. So you can really see how it's pretty much gone. So now that I have sprayed all along my part line, you really can't even tell that I had all of these sparkles before. So it is a great way for keeping your gray hair at bay, and basically no one would ever know, unless they watch this video of course, that I had all of this gray regrowth. So definitely check out Hair Touch-Up if you are in the market, you can't make it to the salon, or your hairstylist is maybe booked and you can't get in there for a few days. This is definitely the go-to fix to help extend your color and hide your grays.